Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. So in today's video, we will discuss about deliver content by email in Odoo 18 sales. The purpose of deliver content by email feature in Odoo 18 sales is to streamline communication and enhance customer engagement throughout the sales process. It allows you to send emails directly from within the sales module, saving the time and ensuring consistency in your messaging. So let's see how can we manage deliver content by email in Odoo 18 sales module. To manage with the deliver content by email, we just need to enable that feature from the configuration settings. So under the product catalog, you can find that deliver content by email is just enabled. So this send a product specific emails once the invoice is validated. Now we also just need to configure the outgoing mail server. So we have done already a video on how to configure the outgoing mail server. And so upon the validation of the invoice, we just need to send this content to the customer. So the content can be the quotations or the warranty details, or it can be the invoice details and all. So in order to manage with the deliver content by email or just send a specific email of the product, you can just move on to the products over here and you could choose any of the products from here. Okay, so I'll be choosing the product over here as cable management box. So you can choose a product and let me set the priority over here. Later on, under the accounting tab, here you can see that as we just enable the deliver content by email, this field will be triggered over here. This would allow you to automatic email at invoice. Okay, so here you can choose the email template. I'm going to choose the email template as invoice, and if you want to view the other details regarding this template, you can just get into the internal link and it shows the body of the template, and you can just back to the product right now. Now let's move on to the orders in order to make the order for the product. So under the quotation, here you can just click on new button in order to manage with that, and where you can just fill out the details of the customer. I'm going to choose the customer as Jarina Printing Press, and you just need to ensure that you have provided the proper mail address. Then only the customer will be receiving the mail that is to deliver the specific content. Okay, so here you can choose the products. I'm going to choose a product as cable management box because where we have just configured the template, and we can just save this and confirm the order. So once the order is confirmed, we know the next step is that to deliver the item to the customer. So here you can see that the product is available right now with the demanded quantity is 1 and the item that we just gonna deliver is also 1. So you can just click on validate, and we can only deliver this specific content to the customer upon the validation of the invoice. So in order to validate the invoice, you can just back to the reference number and you can just click on create invoice. Okay, and here you can see that there are different ways in by which we can create the invoices. It can be a regular invoice, down payment percentage, or down payment with fixed amount. I'll be choosing the regular invoice and click on create invoice. Still, we haven't validated that. Here you can see that the invoice is currently in its draft state. And still, if you want to just ensure that whether you have just delivered the content by email, here you can see it's in draft state and we cannot just deliver that. So upon the validation of the invoice, then we can just send it by mail. Okay, so here you can see that I'm going to click on confirm. So upon clicking on confirm, this invoice will be validated and this will be moving from draft state to the posted state. So you can just click on confirm, and here you can see now it will be moving from draft to posted state. And here you can see that upon the validation of the invoice, we have just sent the content, that is the specific content, to the email of the customer. So if you want to view the mail of the customer, you can also check that. So here you can see that we have currently received the mail from the company regarding the product with the reference number, that is the invoice reference number, the amount, and here you can see all the other details. Okay, so if the customer wish to make the payment, he can just proceed with the registering payment, and further he can just move on with the further process. So you can quickly and easily send emails to the customers without leaving the Odoo sales module, and you can also tailor your email content to each specific customers based on their information in the sales document. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.